How to build a wooden sauna? How much wood do I need? Building a wooden sauna can be a fun and rewarding DIY project, but it's important to plan carefully and follow all safety guidelines. Here are the basic steps to build a wooden sauna. Choose a location. Select a flat and dry area in your yard or garden for the sauna. The size of the area depends on the size of the sauna you plan to build. Design your sauna. Determine the size and layout of your sauna based on your needs and available space. Decide on the type of wood you will use and the type of sauna stove you will install. Build the foundation. Construct a sturdy foundation using concrete blocks or poured concrete. This will ensure your sauna stays level and is properly supported. Build the walls. Use the wood of your choice to construct the walls, making sure to create proper insulation with additional materials like foam board insulation. Build the roof. Build the roof with a slope of at least 1 inch per foot to allow for proper water drainage. Use waterproof materials like metal or asphalt shingles. Install the sauna stove. Choose a high-quality wood-fired or electric sauna stove and install it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure to provide proper ventilation for the stove. Install the benches. Build the benches inside the sauna and make sure they are sturdy and comfortable. The benches should be placed at different heights to allow for different levels of heat. Install the door. Install a door that is heat resistant and seals tightly to keep the heat inside the sauna. Finish the sauna. Finish the sauna with any additional features or accessories you desire, such as lighting, a thermometer, or a bucket and ladle for water. Remember, safety is key when building and using a sauna. Make sure to follow all safety guidelines and consult with a professional if you have any questions or concerns. The amount of wood you need to build a sauna depends on several factors, such as the size of the sauna, the type of wood you want to use, and the style of the sauna. Typically, you would need about 200 to 400 board feet of softwood, such as spruce or pine, to build a small to medium-sized sauna. The exact amount of wood needed may vary based on the specific design and construction techniques used. It's important to ensure that the wood you use is suitable for use in a sauna, as high humidity and temperature levels can cause some woods to warp or crack over time. Cedar, hemlock, and aspen are popular choices for sauna construction due to their resistance to heat and moisture. It's always a good idea to consult with a professional or an experienced builder to determine the exact amount of wood you'll need for your specific sauna project.